Yo, check this out. This is Wayne Wonder, representing for Warieka LTV. You see the vision, don't it? See the vision. Warieka LTV. Keep it locked.
No, I'm gonna tell you. We, us as bloggers, these are the issues that we need to address. You understand what I said? You see? Set the path for the youth. Share, like, and subscribe and stay tuned to the channel. I don't know all this shit. Yes, I. Once greetings once again in the mighty name of His Imperial Majesty Emperor Selassie I the First. You see, yeah, welcome all viewers and subscribers. See? And all viewers, if you haven't subscribed yet, press the subscription button and let's grow the thing, man. We don't want to reach the 10,000, you know. You know what, I don't know where YouTube are going, but it's the slowest climb I've ever seen. And I don't know if it's me who is, you know, a bit hasty. Almost final hurdle, but yeah. Yeah, man, so subscribe and help grow the thing. Let me tell you, who killed Peter Tosh. Yeah, and we could discuss the reason why. We put out the other reasons why I think. You know, see. So one of my brethren, one of the subscribers, one of my brethren named Suzette, you know, Suzette something or another. I'm not sure if it's Suzette Williams this, you know. See, but Suzette make a suggestion here in the comment section in regards to the dear, with my dear Prime Minister. You see it? And it's troubling. It's a troubling argument. You see, I'm going to read the comment. See, I'm going to big up Hilma Smith, big up Puchila, big up Lisa Smith, big up Serena Atkins, my new subscriber, Sagadelia, can I only say a part of your name. You know, see it. Aymara, respect. You know, see it. Eldan, enough respect, Eldan. Lancelot, big up yourself, Lancelot. Keisha, enough respect. Lorraine, yes, I. S Sugar, big up yourself. Shay Mini, big up yourself. Yeah, Shemani, big up yourself. O'Keel, big up yourself. Jem Barrett, as always. Gary Morrison, I hear you, sir. Every time I hear you, loud and clear. You know, see me hear everything where you have to say, sir. Gary Morrison, big up yourself. Fitzroy Douglas, Try G bro. Now watch out, man. We know so them boy they not do nothing where we ask. Them boy they not do that. You know, see. So that now go up. Just like Mother said, that will never happen. You know what I'm saying? Yes, I. Big up the Dan. Huge Jah. Big up yourself. Abundance. Big up yourself. Nerville McLeod, as usual, my elder, my general, my party, my charge. You know, see. Big up yourself. The channel name Our Culture. Big up yourself. Seeing Suzette Davis, yeah, big up yourself. Candace, big up yourself. Elijah, big up yourself. Arville, enough respect. You know, see, yeah. And Rupert Payne, enough respect, Rupert Payne. Lexus Band, big up yourself, enough time. Trish Newman, every day. Lexus Band, you know, see, yeah. So the thing set, man. Yeah, I'm gonna big up Mad Soldier again. You know, see, so the thing set. I found a thing. When I grow it. You know, see it. Sydney Harris, enough respect, man. DJ, big up yourself, DJ. You know, see it. Gaza Screech, big up yourself, Gaza Screech. Mad respect. Seeing it as it is, yeah, man. Every day, man. Yeah, you know, see it. Enough respect, sir. You know, see it and respect the input. You know, see it. Yes, I. Sublime Arthur, big up yourself, my general. Be young, enough respect. Asia, big up yourself. Remember we are talking about the people who we used to camp out on the wharf down in Jamaica. We don't know what kind of thing that. We don't know if it's true. It is being alleged that some Chinese people, you know, big up yourself, Mark Brown, Dilton Johnson, Lenny, big up yourself, Jess Hector, big up yourself, Mark 07112, bless up yourself, Dana Squire, enough respect. You see it. Mark Springer, enough respect, sir. You see it. So, you don't know, we don't want to go too far. Big up Teta Millie. You see it. Curlew, big up yourself, Curlew. Enough respect, sir. Seldom seen. Respect, seldom seen. Fitzroy Donalds, enough respect. Winston C, enough respect, sir. You see it. Andre Enriquez, enough respect again. You see it. Maggie Edwards, Wayne Halliburton, as always, sir. Big up yourself. You see it. Kessia Stevens, big up yourself. Gregory, blessed. Richard, big up yourself, Richard. Miss Daly, enough respect for your input. Moose Zuzu, big up yourself, Moose Zuzu. DJ Junior, bless up yourself. Bless up yourself, family. You see it. Miss Claude, Top Cat, big up yourself, Top Cat. J. Pierce, big up yourself. J.R. Bugs, big up yourself, youth. Where you there a while, I don't see you, you know. Oh, gee, there, you know, you're out. Yeah, man. Junior from Trinidad, big up yourself. No, Junior from Belize, big up yourself. You see it. And the Trinidad, the rest of them, big up on yourself. Enough respect, enough love. Seeing Caviar, big up yourself. Philip Wright, big up yourself. Every time, you see it. Lena Graham, big up yourself as well. Respect for your input. Kendrick Thomas, blessed. You see it. Noel Chung, the Chinese, I'm about on today, so I hope I don't want to do the fire in China. I hope it's a Jamaican Chinese. This. What best of yourself, Noel Chung? I know you know the struggle. You're born from the ground and you know it just like the whole of it. Every China man who born from the ground in Jamaica, we do know the side struggle, you know see. Ejaism, big up yourself, my family, enough respect. Jabi, the elder, anyway there, big up yourself. Big up yourself, Bombard. Big up yourself, Rome. Big up yourself, Bap. Yeah, we could left with this. You know see it, yeah. Trish Newman, big up yourself. You know see it. Dean Martin. Big up yourself, Dean Martin. Enough respect. Carl Cavalier. Big up yourself. Nick Wilson. Big up yourself, Nick Wilson and Gary Smith. Big up yourself, African youth. Sane, Pan-African. Mad Soldier. Enough respect and bless up and honor. You see it. Passion. Big up yourself, Passion. Enough respect for the input, you know. Micah Taylor. Enough respect again. Herbert. Tanya Lawrence. Big up yourself. Big up yourself, Ras Zachariah. Enough respect. You know, see it. Philip Penn. Big up yourself. Big up yourself. Enough respect, Diego General. Big up yourself, man. You know, see it. Big up yourself, Dante Dan. You know, see it. I saw the thing. Set. Yeah. You know, see it. So I have to big up the people, because them set the thing on road, you know, and them they make the thing go on. Alta Samuel, so don't know. You know, see it. Andre Enriquez. So we're going to discuss what go on over here, so the wharf in Jamaica. Over here, so Chinese camp out on the wharf, live down there. You know, see it. Eric Brown. Big up yourself, Eric Brown. Anthony. Ijoma. Big up yourself, Ijoma. Victor James, enough respect. Ian Crooks. Check in. You know, see, T, check in. Ian Burke, check in. Yeah. Andre Enriquez, enough respect. Yeah. Brooklyn, enough respect. Okil Vassiane. Okil, big up yourself, Okil. You know, see it. Jennifer, big up yourself. Mackie, big up yourself, Mackie. Donovan. More bless. You know, see it. Alright. So, make we address the issue where we see a go on down, or we hear say a go on down Kingston Wharf, as alleged by what's her name? By one of the subscribers them. You see, somebody commenting in the section. And I could say, her interest is getting Brogard for investigate the Chinese them were illegally camp out down a wharf. She named Susie. Seeing? So me wonder how is that even how is that even acceptable? You get me? Are these Chinese people have they landed in the country? Are they like checked in properly? Like are they on record? You see, do we know who they are? See, what sort of living accommodation them do they live under? How is their movements conducive to the culture and things like that? You see, are they abiding by a different set of law while they are camping out where they are like nomads in our island, like, you know, I would even say gypsies, but like travelers. Now this is deplorable behavior. You know, see, the Chinese in Jamaica are behaving like, not even in Jamaica, the Chinese across the world are acting like suffering, starving migrant. Not even, you know, worse migrant than these are, you know, so let's say, the immigrants usually, people usually migrate for the sake of, well, couple of things. I'm going to try to explain them. Economics is one of them. You see, war and trauma and them type of thing there are one of them. You see it. And colonization is one of them. You see it. So, Minister China have no war going down there. See? Big up yourself, Ian Crooks. Yes, sir, enough respect for your input. See? Minister China have no war going down there, of such. See? Nah, them no, me not think them a first world economy, you know. You see, them well recognized and up there in the scope of things with everybody else. You see, so why should we lay back and accept them sort of attitude there from? I mean, everybody else usually, that's like scraping the bottom of the bucket type of thing for yourself still. You know, see. I mean, even if you buy out a business in a Jamaica, see, you still make all of the profit from the business and you run the business or the business for run. It's just fair, say, the local economy should benefit from some of the operation we are going within the sphere of things. I mean, they live there. Them live there for them geographical location that. You understand what I say? Oh, you bring people from elsewhere who come change all our attire in another man country and all them things there. While you have whole heap of people in the same country we can do the same type of work. You know, see, how is that even acceptable for our government them accept them sort of economical robbery there? You know, see, because it's okay for you responsible for the contract, the architecture, the construction, the whole details of how things build, the planning process and, you know, the management of the whole thing. But come on, local man can mix cement, local man can operate a cement mixer, local man can drive truck, local man can operate machinery and things like that. You know, see it? Why is China operating so selfish? Even in the case whereby when them leave back with all of the skill where them carry come apply in the place. Them not try to teach nobody nothing. So that somebody can, you know, benefit. The local economy can benefit somewhat. Where them now have to call them back for any repairs or things like that. Why are we accepting the terms? Why are we accepting the greedy, vampire, gluttonous terms of the Chinese? Eh? Why should we? After all, we carry the load of the burden of the Chinese lying, thieving psychology all these centuries. You see it? Them always con them way in your country and give you the impression like there is a starving, struggling nation. You see it? You give them the benefit of the doubt and you allow them to operate them business. Which is, to me, it's a scheme. You see it? Like a scam. You get me? You see, because very soon out of the blues, vloop, younger year China rich. You know, see no growth, you know, see no development. It's like within 2 years, just whoop, China first world country. And things like that. Now, these are the little psychology and skullduggerous China draw. Go around and with him hand, with him begging basket in front of him, just a beg down the world. Look sorry for and charity until it reach where it is today. China is the biggest beggar. China is the biggest beggar. Be a beg. China beggar reach right there, you know. Go around and play the pity card with the people them and its arms outstretched. You know, see, looking for handouts. China is the biggest handout nation. China is the biggest culture for handouts. You know, see, them people the way you see I go around a fake disability and a beg with pan. That's what the nation of China did and got to where it is today. You know, see, the same mentality, the same attitude. You know, see, even though they got enough yesterday that can suffice them for the month, them still out today begging again because it's a job. You know, see, I can see it in the treat of how them treat the big company them with the copyright infringement them where them use and blatantly. Who and why should we trust people? Why are we trusting people like these who have shown a penchant to be dishonest? Why are we trusting and allowing people like these to operate? I mean, like that, without supervision. You know, see it? China's got no right to own 100% of the shares of what go on in the so. You know, see it? However it go, the France and China deal for control that Kingston wharf is questionable. You know, see it? You know, see, because nowhere in a business is not supposed to one shareholder sell the bulk of each share to another shareholder without even questioning or advertising it on the free trade market that everybody else can bid feed to. You know, see it? It's not a fair deal in my book where China should have won 100% of the major shares because France sell them for them share. You know, see it? And give them ownership of Kingston wharf so that them can move on for them citizens, illegal nationals, unregistered national come live on the wharf, Kingston wharf in a Jamaica. Why the Chinese always act like anything as long as it's not a bench from it have leg it can eat? Why them act so with them natural action? As long as it's not a plane from it can fly, it can eat. What kind of moral and mentality that? It's just all about them and themselves. There's no boundary, no border line with them scam. With them hands out, with them plate hands out, I beg them way through history until they are where they are today still, and still sit back and make these beggars come now and dictate and make price and all make economic plan and all them things there to the rest of the world. Why? Really? Where is China's reputation? Where is China's dignified reputation as a hard-working, struggling? As far as me concerned, as mostly copyright infringement got China where it is on forced labor and sweatshop labor and things like that. And a whole heap of human rights atrocities that still persisting today down in China. You know, see it? Why should we accept them people have to come overtake our resources them like that? Me not understand. Prime Minister, one day you have to go answer to them questions here, you know, because things are get more consequential than ever. You know, see it? And nobody feel like you're going to check. Things are get more consequent. You know, so much gun the youth them have done with it. You know, and things so one of them dear mad bees might extinct the youth, them make them start direct the gun them somewhere else. In a uno direction where the uptown are going like uno blind. Like uno naive. And I like una think the people them down there naive and the youth them with the gun them and what kill off one another naive. Uno naive. You are the one who is being naive. You don't see it. It not take nothing for the right inspiration or for the relevant inspiration hit the youth them. For them whole heap of gun that will look like more gun upon the island than human being at this point. You know see it. For them whole heap of gun they start channel somewhere else big head youth. You know see it. I want to know. I don't go on like you want to get more plain and blatant and open every day so I sell the country deeper and deeper to foreigner. A foreign, Kingston wharf, just as soon as the world advertise say they need a hub, like a container shipping hub in the Caribbean, and Jamaica would be the ideal place given to the most stable and prime location coming through the Panama Canal and things like that. Just as soon as me hear the news about 10 years ago, long before China start coming at the thing. See, so we know so that was gonna be an economic resource for the island somewhat, at least in the future. Yet we still take it and give it to China and make it look like an attack like say the French sell it to China. So we don't have nothing for over it. No, one guy not a first priority. If we go take 100% of shares in our business like that, you know see it. And I say it work. You know see it. One to you, what make you never buy back the bulk of the share from China and make Jamaica have its foothold in such a prospect. If China can see the possibility where you want 100% shares, who you want to see the possibility where the feasibility for the local economy. Prime Minister, yeah, sell out. And we know that long time. We never did that. And a question where we not seek confirmation, you know. You know, see, our poor people, we approve it to day by day because we know so them not have access to certain research, certain resource and knowledge. You, Prime Minister, will promise the people them say, them are going to kill you. You, Prime Minister, will promise Jamaicans, say them are going to assassinate you. You become a politician and make them assassinate you. It's like you are dry feet every day and day with your head in the sand, like an ostrich. You know, see, an ostrich thinking ghetto people is fool and naive and is big and is controlled. You understand what I say? I press the youth them button for go fire up gunshot and kill people the way them do it. I tell them, I give them orders then Rasta. You see, look like we have to sit back and feel like say. I influence the youth them for go do them thing. You know see it? And you inspire them and you personally give them orders. Because you sound like you in control of them. You know see it? If you sit down where you there, actually lackadaisy, you know see it? And confident in yourself, like you have everything under control, your foot cock up with your boast speech them, and your bully boy is him. You know see it? And most you are getting the youth them out of the road with them whole heap of gun there and shot. Others. Why you can feel so confident and not feel like someone of them there. The gates of Jamaica House will be knocked. You know see it? You will act like so well then you're far from 80. You know see it? You with your action right now me see you as you like basically push this you want the destruction of Jamaica more than anything else. Because without the people them get bitter to that point, you not gonna live to see, you not gonna see your dream, your desire, your hopes where you hope say poor people get rid of you though. You see? Yes, Rasta. You see? You see, how Chinese people feel live, camp out, live on the wharf, how much, and nobody don't know. Yo, me I tell you, say, they don't have all sort of resources run down poor people for proof, to impress the rest of the world, say, we don't do something in regards to them thing we are going. Anyway, share, like, and subscribe. You know, see, more bless.